Hey guys, I'm Buki Liquid, and today I gave myself a challenge. 3 sheet pans, 3 vegetables, 3 incredible side dishes. Let's do this. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Peel and chop your carrots crosswise. Peel and cut the larger Brussels sprouts in half. Scrub and cut your potatoes in quarters. Drizzle each vegetable with olive oil. Salt and pepper each vegetable to taste. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sugar over the carrots. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons rosemary, 1 teaspoon thyme, and 2 cloves of garlic over the potatoes. Place the carrots in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Place the Brussels sprouts in the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Place the potatoes in the oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Set your timer. Once done baking, add parsley to the carrots, 1/4 cup of golden raisins, plus 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar to the Brussels sprouts, and extra salt to the potatoes. And voila! Pair any of these with your next meat, chicken, or fish dish, or you can have a side party. Have fun. So good.